Fusion's strategic sales blueprint process in 6 steps. So here's an outline of that. The first is we need to prepare. So we need to work with the executive sponsor, usually the SVP of sales or the VP of sales, and learn a little more about the organization, what the corporate strategy is, who the audience should be in the sales blueprint exercise, and really contextualize blueprint. So we first need to prepare. The second step is drafting the blueprint. So this is a 2-day work session with 8 to 12 sales leaders and some other functional leaders to do some visioning, to do some what we call feet on the ground analysis. Where are we today? And then we draft the shared purpose or vision statement, the goals, and the tactics. So that step 2 is about drafting. And then what we do is we engage through devising some work teams from that session 1, and their job is really to shape the metrics further. So doing some research around the bullseyes, really honing some of the tactics. And then what they do in step 4 is they bring that back in a 1-day session to really present back, here's the bullseyes, here's why, here's what we feel the 3 or 4 tactics should be, and then we gain agreement in that step 4 in that session, and we also devise a communication and implementation plan. Step 5 is that we will help the sales leader and their team with the launch. How are you going to launch this blueprint? Is it through a roadshow? Is it through a national sales conference? What will be the methodology to communicate and to launch this blueprint? The final step, step 6, is to review it. So we really believe firmly in review and plan, what we call RAPs, a quarterly session where you look at where you're tracking well, that's a check mark. Where are you tracking okay? We give that an okay. Or where you're not tracking, and that's an X. We actually work with our clients to analyze and to review the tactics in those 3 areas. So 6 steps, strategic sales blueprint. The benefits are that to really get a better, clear view of what the strategy is, the direction, the focus of the sales force over the next 3 years.